Matcha is a type of green tea made from whole, powdered tea leaves. It's cultivated from plants that have a very precise and regimented growing process, and is made from Camellia sinensis, the same plant as white, green, black, and oolong teas. This superfood has roots stemming from traditional practices in China and Japan, and gets its unique savory, umami taste and antioxidant boost from a labor-intensive growing process that involves shading and tarping the tea fields. Being shade-grown gives it a balance of flavor between catechins, the compound that gives matcha its bitterness and astringency, and the sweet amino acid L-theanine. Amino acids are the molecules that form the basis of proteins and are essential for proper functioning of the body. It also allows these beneficial elements to concentrate within the leaf, and since the whole leaf is consumed, rather than just a decoction like many other teas, it's much more robust. Lauren Danson, CEO of Maizupa Tea Company, finds it helpful to use the analogy of champagne when thinking of matcha. For example, matcha will always be powdered green tea, but any powdered green tea produced outside of Japan will not intrinsically be matcha, she says. The tea has a robust and earthy flavor and even blends well with a variety of milks, especially soy and oat. 5 benefits of matcha tea. The list is long when it comes to the upsides of green tea, yet there has been less research performed specifically on matcha. Many of the active nutrients in matcha, such as polyphenols, caffeine, and amino acids, however, have been noted for a wide range of beneficial health properties. 1. It may improve cardiovascular health. Micronutrients are abundant in matcha, especially one known as epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, a plant compound that can have positive health effects. 2. It's rich in antioxidants. 3. It may have cancer-fighting effects. 4. It may spur weight loss. 5. It may give you healthy, glowing skin.
Now available in Pakistan. Contact for order 0333 258 7985 WhatsApp.